Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens, built-in Wi-Fi 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, DIGIC 4 Plus image processor and full HD videos.
32 megapixel APS-C sensor, ultra smooth stabilization, and amazing colors, it's easy to see why it's one of Canon's most popular cameras. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the Canon R7 and how it compares to other popular cameras. The Canon R7 offers performance, reliability, and speed. It features a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which means it takes super clear, high-quality images, and it's fantastic at taking zoomed-in photos from far away. It's compatible with a full range of lenses, including EFS, EF, RF, and the latest RFS models. The camera uses a Canon LP-E6NH battery pack, which allows for continuous recording of over 30 minutes. The battery can be charged while it is still inside the camera using the USB power adapter PDE, a feature I found to be really convenient. The Canon R7 is an amazing camera with a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor for clear, high-quality images, especially when zooming in. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to handle. The Canon R7 is awesome at capturing fast-paced scenes with its quick autofocus and ability to take up to 15 pictures per second with the mechanical shutter, and up to 30 pictures per second with the electronic shutter. It offers 4K video recording at 60 frames per second and has a 4K crop mode. The Canon R7 features 5-axis in-camera stabilization, HDR backlight control, and compatibility with various lenses. The camera uses a Canon LP-E6NH battery pack, allowing for continuous recording of over 30 minutes, and it offers the convenience of charging the battery while it's still inside the camera using the USB power adapter PDE.
24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor with IS 100 to 6400, H, 12800. Built-in Wi-Fi.